Abdul Bashir joining us from Hyderabad. Abdul, what are the arrangements that are made in Hyderabad for the New Year's? What are the security arrangements and how is the mood? What are the party plans of the residents of Hyderabad?
Well, right now I am at Charminar, where you can see the preparations of the upcoming New Year have been made. People are thronging here. Several tourists here at this particular spot. You can see early morning hours from vendors to the tourists here in high numbers. We have certain tourists here who have come from different parts of the city and the state here. Let us talk to them and get to know what they have to say. So basically here, as you can see, kids have also joined here. आपका नाम बताइए?
मेरा नाम निसार है। मैं निजामाबाद से आया हूँ, बोधन से।
तो क्या लग रहा है आज का आखिरी दिन है? आखिरी के लिए क्या तैयारी कर रहे हैं?
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह कोशिश कर रहे हैं, अच्छा तैयारी हो रही है न्यू ईयर के लिए।
What's your name?
Suraj.
Where are you from?
Karnataka. Ballari.
Okay, so you're celebrating New Year in Hyderabad.
Yes. Trip. School trip.
School trip. Okay. What is the preparation for New Year?
No, nothing.
Nothing. What is your preparation? What's your name?
My name is Bhavya.
Okay, so what is your preparation for New Year?
Same.
So school trip. So you're celebrating it in Hyderabad. You also same? Same. Yeah. So this is the iconic Charminar. As you can see, that police have made necessary arrangements. Government is completely geared up, and also they are now preparing for. And within a few hours, the celebration is set to begin, and all of them, or the city of Hyderabad, is prepared to welcome New Year here. Several other tourists who are here. कहाँ से आए हम आप? यहीं से हैं?
बैंगलोर से।
बैंगलोर से हैं। तो नया साल यहीं पर मनाएंगे?
हाँ, यहीं पर मनाएंगे।
कौन कौन आए? फैमिली के साथ आए?
मेरी फुल फैमिली आई है।
कैसा महसूस कर रहे हैं ये साल?
बहुत अच्छा महसूस कर रहे हैं।
मीनार को देख के कैसा महसूस?
अच्छा लगे।
कैसा लग रहा है आप?
मस्त लग रहा है। सिमरन फातिमा।
क्या बोलना चाहेंगे न्यू ईयर ये साल के लिए, अगले साल के लिए क्या रेजोल्यूशन लेंगे?
और अच्छा होने वाला।
अच्छा होगा। आपका नाम है?
हाजिरा।
तो आपका न्यू ईयर रेजोल्यूशन क्या होगा?
कुछ नहीं, ऐसे ही टूरिस्ट के सर के आए हैं हम।
अच्छा, so as you can see at Charminar here, you have all the tourists here thronging in huge numbers. Let me pan the other side and show you the whole Charminar is right now filled with people here, tourists here. आपका नाम बताइए?
Kedarnath.
So where are you come?
I am from Karnataka.
Karnataka.
Yeah.
So you're celebrating New Year here today?
Yes, definitely.
What is your resolution for New Year?
To change everything and the purpose of the society, I have to make some changes in the society. So I like to introduce.
Okay. So what is your name? You're from
Manjunath,
Okay. So where are you from?
Karnataka.
So what is your resolution for New Year?
Indalakappa.
So what is the last thing that you want to do today being the last day of this year?
Celebration to New Year.
Okay.
Closing, yes.
Okay, so this is what you can see here in the city of Hyderabad, where at Charminar several tourists and people here, locals, have also gathered here for gearing up for the preparations here. The whole Charminar, as you can see, is decked up with all the the stores here, from bangles to watches to everything can be seen colorful at this point in the day. As you can see, all of the people here coming here just for shopping, and this is the last day of the year, so you'll also have many offers.
All right, Abdul. So that is how it looks like at the Charminar in Hyderabad. The excitement on the tourist faces who have gone there to celebrate the New Year, to bring in the New Year. We're getting you all the excitement that is building up in different parts of the country with my colleagues joining us from different cities. Samarth Srivastav is now with us from Ayodhya. Samarth, devotees have gathered in large numbers in the Ram Nagari to seek the divine blessings of Lord Ram. Are there any special rituals or programs that have been planned at the Ram Mandir?
It's New Year's Eve and atmosphere in Ayodhya is electrifying. It's the second anniversary of Pran Pratishtha, consecration ceremony of Ram Temple, and also it's the New Year Eve. It's the Dwadashi, and I have been joined one Lord Sri Ram, a guy who has converted himself into a Lord Sri Ram on the second anniversary of consecration ceremony. Just look at the visuals, how beautifully he has been decked up into the form of Lord Ram, or we say the Ram Lala. कैसा लग रहा है आज आपको इस तरह से यहाँ पर आकर? यहाँ आज द्वादशी है, सेकेंड एनिवर्सरी है।
जय श्री राम। मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि मैं राम स्वरूप यहाँ पर आई हूँ। जय श्री राम। बोलो कहाँ तक टिक सकोगे यदि राम सा संघर्ष हो, यदि राम सा संघर्ष हो। कल मुकुट जिसको साजना था, कल मुकुट जिसको साचना था, अब उसे सब कुछ त्यागना था। निर्णयों के द्वंद से एक बालपन का सामना था। वचन भी था थामना, आदेश भी था मानना। तब इस तरह सोचो तुम, स्वयं को तुम रख सकोगे? बोलो कहाँ तक टिक सकोगे?
Clearly see and get the sense, the atmosphere of Ayodhya at present at here. A lot of people gathered here, and we'll take you to the Ram temple as well. Just see the number of people who have gathered. The vehicular movement has been stopped by the police. As you can see that the devotees are moving as pedestrian towards the Ram Janmabhoomi, toward that particular Ram temple, the majestic Ram temple, and that's the rushy situation here at the Ram temple. You can see people are having their discussions, ladies, gents, children, everyone out here in large numbers gathering at that majestic Ram temple out here. The barricades have been put in here to stop any vehicular movement. The barricades have been erected here as well. As you see the visuals, this is the main entrance point of Ram temple here. Just see the visuals of the Ram temple area in Ayodhya and see the line.
All decked up, security has been heightened, and it's not just the new year. Remember, it's also the 2 years of Pran Pratishtha that is being marked in Ayodhya. You saw the religious fervor in the Ram Nagri, and kids have also dressed up as Lord Ram, and that's how the devotees are celebrating and bringing in the new year in the Ram Nagri. We continue to get you all the excitement and the buzz in different parts of the country. Asim Basi is with us from Manali, Mir Farid from Srinagar, Anagha from Chennai, Shibimol from Tiruvananthapuram, and Abdul Bashir from Hyderabad, and of course Samad Srivastav from Ayodhya. I would request you all to please stay with us.